Hello everybody! So, happy Sunday. Usually on Sundays I like to go out for breakfast, pancha, but unfortunately cannot go out at these times. So I'm going to prepare my own pancake. So I also have to admit I'm quite lazy lah. I think I'm not going to follow any recipe. I'm just going to follow my milk, full cream. As you can see, I won't be weighing. I'll just put in the flour according to what I like. But the sieve is a must because I don't want to eat lumps of flour later. Okay. It's fun when you don't need to use so much grain. Butter. At times like this, you don't really need to be so serious. Enjoy what you're doing. Those who say they stay at home will turn fat, when you do this kind of work at home, you burn calories also lah. Okay, now we have egg whites here. Okay. Actually I want to use hand also lah, but never mind lah, huh? Let's use technology when you have it. You beat it up until it's stiff and white like this. Okay, then just have to add it into the egg yolks and milk and butter. Okay, just put it inside. Now if you want to add sugar, you can, but I don't prefer sugar because I'll have toppings later. Some said to add vinegar, but I didn't because I want to keep it simple. Alright, so just mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna make it simple because I'm very hungry already, okay? What I need is put some butter, heat the pan up, low heat. Okay, while waiting for the bottom to brown, let's do a dance.
Dang it.